Hello everyone, today my sister and I will be trying a canary melon. Canary melons are also sometimes called winter melons, and when ripe their rind is supposed to be waxy. It's not that waxy on the outside because we've had it for a while. And on the inside, the flesh is supposed to be as soft, or even softer than a pear. Which, I doubt it, but it says that it's supposed to be, and if I recall, it's grown in some parts of Asia. Let's cut this. Okay, that was surprisingly easy to cut.
Let me just show the camera this.
Maybe we should have gotten a bowl for this.
No.
Well, I'm gonna start taking out the seeds. These in Okay, so this kind of feels like pumpkin carving, having to get out all the seeds. That's a lot of seeds, though. Yeah, no, this feels like I have to carve a pumpkin.
Ew.
And the flesh is softer.
Ew, it's so watery.
Yeah, it's a melon.
Where are we gonna put it? Because it's not going on that.
Okay, so we're gonna just move this over here. Move this over here. And now I'm gonna cut just... Actually, no, I'm gonna cut down this way.
Ew!
I'm gonna cut down in a circle. Slice. Okay, and now, Kai, take this piece. You're getting the smaller piece. Okay. Now it's finally time to test it.
Yours is smaller.
No, it's not, Kaya. It's only just skin. I don't know how to explain the taste.
Really?
Like, it does taste like, kind of like, what melon am I thinking of?
It tastes like a fruit I've had before.
Is it the honey melon that's the same, the honeydew melon that's the same color on the inside? Yeah, it sort of tastes like that.
This kind of tastes like cantaloupe.
Have I tried cantaloupe
I've had
before?
it for the neighbors.
Like,
it's green. I don't like it.
I don't like this that much.
Ew, I hate it. I never like this.
Like, for me, I don't like this, but like, it is softer than a pear. It's more just the texture I don't like. Like, the taste is meh.
Nasty. Oh, I would not recommend that.
The texture for me is what's like messing it up a bit. I have to give this like 4. I wouldn't eat this most of the time. I'd only eat it if I had to eat it. No. Would this be good in a smoothie?
No.
We don't know until we try. Well, that's all from me. Kaya, what are you gonna rate it?
A 0. Because I don't like cantaloupe.
Okay then, well, that's all from me, and I'm guessing that's all from her. Goodbye.